Unveiling the Warmth. Understanding with warm thoughts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and comforting phrase that you might have come across in English conversations, letters, or emails, with warm thoughts. This phrase holds a special place in expressing feelings and sentiments, and understanding its use can add a lovely touch to your English communication. So, let's explore together what it means, when to use it, and how it can convey more than just words. With warm thoughts is a phrase that conveys feelings of affection, care, and goodwill. When someone uses this expression, they are essentially sending you a hug through words. It's their way of saying they are thinking of you fondly and wishing you well. This phrase is often used in situations where physical presence is not possible, but the desire to show emotional support and positive feelings is strong. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, each with its own subtle nuances. Personal correspondence. In letters or emails to friends and family, ending with warm thoughts, adds a personal touch that says you care deeply about the recipient. Sympathy messages. During tough times, such as illness or loss, with warm thoughts, offers comfort and expresses your heartfelt empathy towards someone. Wishing well. Whether it's a birthday, a new job, or any other celebratory event, using with warm thoughts in your message adds a layer of warmth and personal goodwill. It's a versatile phrase that suits many occasions, but the key is sincerity. Use it when you genuinely feel warmth and affection towards the person you're communicating with. To help you grasp how, with warm thoughts, can be woven into communication, here are a few examples. In a letter, as I conclude this letter, I do so with warm thoughts, hoping this note finds you in good health and high spirits. In a sympathy card, with warm thoughts and deepest sympathy as you navigate through this difficult time. In a celebration message, congratulations on your achievement, sending you my best wishes with warm thoughts. These examples showcase how adding with warm thoughts personalizes and enriches your message, making the recipient feel valued and cared for. We hope this video has illuminated the beautiful expression, with warm thoughts, for you. It's more than just a phrase. It's a way to convey affection, support, and positivity across distances and through challenging times. Try incorporating it into your communication and see how it can deepen connections and bring warmth to your interactions. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here to help you navigate the intricacies of the English language with ease and confidence. Until next time, keep learning and keep sharing those warm thoughts.